So guys, my blog went wrong. My blog went wrong because it's raining. You can even hear the light thing. It is tracking. Oh my god. I'm sweat, guys.
Rivers in my heart, I can feel it now, coming closer. I can feel it now, taking over. In the heat of it, in my heartbeat, in the
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends at the time you are watching this video. In case you are new, guys, let me just introduce myself. My name is David Trump. I am a taxi driver from Burundi, Bujumbura. And right now you can see I am in my taxi, as you can see. So in this video, guys, I will be showing you a very good beach. By the way, I am here at the farmers quarter in Bujumbura. So this quarter is well known. I can just say in 100%, I can just take like 80% of Burundians know very well this beach. So the beach, by the way, is very cheap but very famous. So I am at this quarter which is called Kajaga quarter. So this quarter is well known in Burundi, Bujumbura, because we can find so many beaches, and we have Tanganyika Lake here. That's why most of people, even tourists, they come and come to enjoy the fresh air of Tanganyika Lake, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna show you this beach. Wherever you are, if you don't have a lot of money for spending, so, and you want to feel the fresh air, I can just invite you. I recommend you to come to this beach. With 5,000 you can enjoy to this beach. There is even the swimming pool. If you know how to swim, you can even swim, guys. So this is my taxi, by the way, as you can see, and this is the beach. This is the beach, as you can see here. There is garden everywhere. So today is a Friday, guys. Friday in Bujumbura is considered as a weekend, and today I decided just to come here to feel the fresh air of Tanganyika Lake. It's very natural and it's very good and it's very helpful for my health. So guys, without talking too much, stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the only way you can support me, guys, is to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and you can just activate the bell notification so that you can be notified with my all new video, guys. You can see this is a garden of this beach. It's very amazing, guys. The beach is very amazing. So this is the interest of this beach, guys. Let's keep on going and see the beautiful of this beach right here. The weather is not good at all. As you can see, it's like maybe it is going to rain. Yes, maybe it is going to rain. The weather is not good at all. So, and it begins to rain slow by slow. It begins to rain slow by slow, guys. So I'm just coming now. Look this beach, how beautiful it is. Oh my god. You can even see people there are swimming. As you can see, it's a very amazing beach. It's a very amazing beach, as you can see, guys. So I really appreciate this beach because it's very cheap. It's very cheap but famous. As you can see, people are enjoying drinking. So it's very good, guys. As you can see, there is a child. There is a child who is enjoying on a balance. So by the way guys, this beach is very amazing. It's very amazing, as you can see. It is raining, that's why we can't find most of people right here, because even the weather is not good. So it is raining, that's why guys we can't find a lot of people. So guys, let me just show you Tanganyika Lake, how it is. Tanganyika Lake is very good. So this Tanganyika Lake, you can find it in the different countries of East Africa. You can find it in Burundi. You can find it in Congo. You can even find it in Zambia. We can find it in Tanzania also. But I'm not sure 100% if we can find it in maybe in Rwanda, not in Rwanda, because in Rwanda we have Kivu Lake. Yes guys, as you can see, let me just feel the fresh air of Tanganyika Lake. It's very good for my what? For my head. Yeah. As you can see guys, this is Tanganyika Lake, by the way. Yeah, this is Tanganyika Lake.
When we cross that troubled sea.
So as you can see, we do have a lot of people because the weather is not good at all. As you can see, it's like it is going to rain. Yes, it is going to rain guys.
While your teardrops fall, I won't suppose, but I'll stay.
It is going to rain, that's why we can't find a lot of people. Yes, so I have to stay somewhere. I have to stay somewhere and maybe having a soda, because I don't drink alcohol. So I have to stay somewhere, maybe having a soda.
When we cross that troubled sea.
I don't know how much money is a soda, but I'm sure that it can't go until to like 10,000. It can't arrive until 10,000. So maybe if it's very expensive, maybe it can be like 3,000, like that. So I have to look. As you can see, it's now raining guys. I have to look a place where I can stay and drinking. By the way, this place is very amazing. As you can see, this is a swimming pool. As you can see, people are enjoying guys. I have to look also a place so that I can drink it, like even one Fanta. So because if you enter at this place, so you can't only make video without taking anything. So you have to take anything so that you can be free to make the video guys. So let me wait the waiter. So I'm just calling the waiter. Just call the waiter so that I can ask. I don't have a lot of money, guys. I don't have a lot of money, but the money I have, I'm going to use it. I don't have enough money, guys. By the way, I hope you enjoyed this this video, guys. Let me just ask how much is a soda here. So by the way, guys, hey bro, no, the one the content creator and YouTube. This is the waiter, so I need to drink a soda. No, if I'm going to thank me. Ayo citron na coca. Zanira citron. Yes. So by the way, guys, so That is a weight. It said that one Fanta it's cost 5,000 BF. Not even $1. It is not even $1. So I have to take that so that I can continue showing you vlogging here. By the way, here there is no many people, guys. You know, I'm somehow discouraged. You know, but by the way, I guess it's because of the weather. You know, now it's raining. But
down and every day you seem to wash them all away. Everything's gonna be okay. The healing starts soon as I
one bottle of soda here is 5k. Burundian franc. It's not even $1. I'm enjoying it, guys.
Mama, there's nothing in
So guys, it is raining. It is raining. I don't know if you can see.
love more than
It is raining, guys. That's why there's many people like. As you can see, it's raining. I'm in the rain, guys. Yes, it's raining too much. Oh my God, my phone! Oh my God! So guys, it is raining. Now it is raining.
I can see it now, 'cause I can feel it now. When you touch me, in my bloodstream. When you touch
So guys, my blood went wrong. My blood went wrong because it's raining. You can even hear the light thing. It is striking. Oh my God. I'm sweat, guys.
Making rivers in my heart. You lift me up. You lift me up.
So guys, this vlog went wrong for Iggy. Look, I'm wet all over my body, and because of raining, I'm wet all over my body, and also there is what we call lightning is striking anytime. So I'm afraid. I even put my phone in the airplane because of lightning. So guys, I'm very sweat, I'm very cold. Oh my God. By the way, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. You really enjoyed the video, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and you share the video, guys. You can even see you can even see it is still raining, guys. Until now it is still raining. It is still raining until now, guys. So I have to take off this video and then see you to the next video, guys. I'm very cold. See you and then bye.